Welcome to our YouTube video, where we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when working with database entries in a select field. The issue at hand is how to handle cases where certain fields, like IATIA and ICAO codes, may be null in some database records. This can result in unwanted commas in the displayed select field options, which is definitely not ideal for user experience. Now, let's focus on the solution to this problem. In the provided code snippet, we iterate through the fetched database results and construct the display value for the select field options. By checking if the IATA or ICAO values are null before appending them to the display string, we ensure that the commas are only included where necessary. This way, we can present a clean and concise list of airport names with their associated IATA and ICAO codes in the select field. Building upon the initial solution, an alternate approach involves using the array_filter function to create an array of non-null values for each database record. By then applying implode to join these values with a comma separator, we achieve the same desired outcome of displaying the airport information without any extraneous commas. This method offers a more dynamic and scalable solution, particularly in scenarios where additional database fields may need to be included in the select field. To wrap up, handling null values in database entries when populating a select field can be effectively addressed by incorporating conditional checks or using array manipulation functions like array_filter and implode. These techniques ensure a streamlined presentation of data while maintaining a user-friendly interface. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. We always appreciate your feedback.